Dyes have been used for centuries to color fabrics, hair, and other materials. The development of synthetic dyes in the 19th century led to the widespread use of dyes in many industries, including the textile industry and the food industry. Today, dyes are also commonly used in the production of pharmaceuticals and cosmetics. The chemical structures of dyes are composed of aromatic rings and functional groups that determine their color and chemical properties. These structures can also affect their biological activity and toxicity. To develop new dyes, chemists use a variety of techniques to synthesize and modify chemical structures. These techniques include organic synthesis, computational modeling, and high-throughput screening. Organic synthesis is the process of creating new molecules by combining simpler molecules. Chemists can use organic synthesis to create new dyes with specific properties, such as color or solubility. Organic synthesis involves a variety of techniques, including reaction optimization, purification, and characterization. Computational modeling is a powerful tool used by chemists to predict the properties of new dyes. Chemists can use computer simulations to predict the color, solubility, and other properties of new dyes before they are synthesized. This allows them to narrow down the pool of potential candidates for further testing and development. High-throughput screening is a process used to test large libraries of compounds for their ability to interact with specific proteins or enzymes. This technique allows chemists to rapidly screen thousands of compounds for potential biological activity, narrowing down the pool of candidates for further testing. In addition to their use in textiles and other materials, dyes are also commonly used in the production of pharmaceuticals and cosmetics. Pharmaceutical dyes are used to color pills and other medications, making them easier to identify and distinguish. Cosmetic dyes are used in hair dyes, nail polishes, and other products. The use of dyes in pharmaceuticals and cosmetics is regulated by government agencies, including the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and the European Union, EU. These agencies require safety and toxicity testing to ensure that dyes used in these products are safe for human use. Dyes can have a variety of biological effects, including toxicity and allergic reactions. Some dyes have been linked to cancer and other health problems. To minimize the risk of toxicity and adverse effects, chemists must carefully study the chemical properties of dyes and their effects on the body. In summary, the chemical structures of dyes play a critical role in their color and properties. Chemists use a variety of techniques to synthesize and modify chemical structures, including organic synthesis, computational modeling, and high-throughput screening. Dyes are used in a variety of industries, including textiles, pharmaceuticals, and cosmetics. The use of dyes in these industries is regulated by government agencies to ensure safety and minimize the risk of toxicity and adverse effects. The chemical structures of dyes are composed of aromatic rings and functional groups that determine their color and properties. Aromatic rings are six-membered carbon rings with alternating double bonds, which provide stability to the structure. The presence of functional groups, such as nitro, amino, and hydroxyl groups, can affect the color and properties of the dye.